Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. In this video, we will make kunefe as a detailed recipe. You can see how thin wire kadayif dough is made. The dough poured on a thin copper plate is cooked in seconds and offered for sale. It contains only wheat flour and water. Kunefe is a hot dessert with salt-free cheese, and different desserts are made with kadayif. Now our topic is kunefe. You will see the necessary materials. 1 kilogram of kadayif. The amount to be used in this video is 700 grams. You will see 2 different recipes in Hatay style and Urfa style. Butter. A little molasses to make Urfa style kunefe. 750 grams of kunefe cheese. This cheese is a salt-free and melting cheese. Some pistachios to make Urfa style. Pistachios are used milled. Aluminum kunefe containers to prepare kunefe. These plates are for 2 portions. Can be made using a larger tray. 2 cups of sugar needed for sherbet. 2.5 cups of water and 2 small slices of lemon. First add the sugar to the pot for the sherbet. Add water, make sure there is purified water. Add 2 slices of lemon and mix, boil the syrup for 15 minutes. Grate the unsalted kunefe cheese. As you can see, a cheese produced for this dessert can be made even baklava with this cheese. Prepare powdered pistachios by machine. Since the kadayifs are pressed, it is necessary to separate them by hand in this way. After we have reworked the kadayif, cut it with a knife with an interval of 2 centimeters. Add kadayifs in a large container. Melt butter in 1 soup bowl, and add to the kadayif. Mix the kadayif with butter completely. Add some butter to the tray to make Hatay kunefe. Spread the butter all over the sides of the tray. Add kadayif proportionally to the tray base. Use a sachet and press a little with the same size tray. Add the unsalted kunefe cheese, place it not too close to the edges. Add kadayif on the sides and cheese, cover completely. I recommend you to prepare the top and bottom as a thin layer. close again with sachet and press with tray. Hatay style kunefe is ready for frying now. Now Urfa style kunefe will be made. Add some grape molasses to the butter and mix. Add the mixture in the aluminum container and rub it all over. The other container will be the same as we did first, Urfa on the right, Hatay on the left. Add a thin layer of kadayif. Add ground pistachio into Urfa style kunefe. Add cheese to kunefe. Cover it with kadayif and press it with your hand. Kunefe's prepared to go to the cooking stage. Kunefe can be cooked on charcoal fire or cooked on low heat in a kitchen stove. Kunefe is not baked in the oven, but you can only cook it at bottom heat without closing the oven door. The large tray will be cooked with wood fire. I want to show you by cooking in a small kunefe kitchen stove. Start cooking after the wood or coal become embers. Set a timer for about 10 minutes and cook by turning. Definitely use a mask for this kind of smoky work to protect your lungs as a reminder. Check the color after 10 minutes on average and to turn the other side. Use the other tray of the same size and be careful not to burn your hand. Add the dish you turn again to the tray and cook the other side. This time it will take less than 10 minutes, cook on average 8 minutes. Check the syrup, it will be good to be ready simultaneously with cooking time. You can lift the bottom of the kunefe and check if it looks fried. Add boiling sherbet to the kunefe while it is hot. Hatay and Turkish style kunefe is ready to serve. A slice of this size is enough for one person, more can be harmful. Can be stored in the freezer after preparing it in this way. Urfa style kunefe will be cooked on natural gas stove. Add butter, grate molasses and mix. Set the kitchen stove low and cook for 10 minutes in the same way. It may be necessary to cook in a smaller portion for better browning of the middle. The bottom is fried after a total of 10 minutes, now we can turn the other side. Having two of the same aluminum container will provide convenience for turning the dessert. Baking the other side for 7 to 8 minutes is enough for frying. Add boiling syrup to the hot dessert. This size is too much for one person, this kunefe is for 2 people. We tried 2 different kunefe recipes, the results were excellent. The desserts made with kadayif will continue to be delicious and favorite desserts. We understood the importance of healthy eating, and I think there is information that I need to tell you. Be careful to consume legumes and seasonal vegetables before and after eating such sweets. Only in this way can you eat sweets, your body resistance will be strong. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video, goodbye.